Trishonna here. I am back with another YouTube. Ignore that. I never put a picture in there just so y'all, because y'all like to call stuff out. Ignore that. Anyway, today's video is how I made over $1,200, you guys, in 6 days. Yes, over $1,200 in 6 days. Sitting on my couch, laying in my bed, being on my phone, chilling. So you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. We're all the same, you guys. I always say we all believe the same. We all take the same. So without further ado, let me show you guys how I did it. Start the video. My food's done. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. I am hungry and I have a client right after this video, so I gotta multitask right now. Okay, so how I made $1,200 in 6 days. Okay, so what I realized right now is everyone's in a crisis. Okay, the whole world's in a weird, awkward place right now, and the only thing we can do to make things better is to add value to someone. Okay, to add value to someone else's life. So if you have a product, if you're skilled at something, what can you do with your skills or products that's going to add value to someone else's life? So a light bulb went off. Ding, 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 ding. I already had Trishonna.co. I was already doing business coaching, but to add value to people were panicking. I was like, let me help you guys scale your business, okay? Let me help you guys grow your business, and that ultimately put money in my pocket as well. So what I did was I created an ebook. Okay? It took me 48 hours. I literally pulled an all-nighter till 4 a.m. 2 nights in a row to create my ebook. This kind of stuff that I talked about in my Business 101 ebook came natural to me because it was just about business plans, marketing, strategizing, so many different things. And I was able to create that ebook in 48 hours. Okay, 48 hours I created my ebook. From there, I did a marketing strategy. So I start talking about business on my Instagram stories, and I start doing polls and different things like that on my Instagram story. So I took a poll on my Instagram story, and I just started asking people about business questions. And this was leading up to the release of my ebook, okay? So I started asking people about business questions, like who has a job, who has a 9-to-5, who's trying to grow their business. And I just kind of got people involved, okay? So people who were saying like, I want passive income, I was telling them to leave me their email address in like the questions box on Instagram. And from there, I just kind of start interacting with people, and I noticed that a lot of people do want passive income, or a lot of people do have business ideas, but they just haven't acted on it. So from there, I had those people DM me, and I just kind of told them like, hey, I'm going to be doing a pre-release for my ebook. So it was only $20. My book's only $20. And I got those people who pre-bought my ebook, okay? And I put them in my private entrepreneurship group because I'm all about adding value. Same with you. So if you want to make money, add value. So those people who bought the book, I put them in an entrepreneurship group. I talk to them every day, and we work and strategize to grow our businesses. But I was able to get sales, and I made $100 probably in 3 minutes just from getting people to purchase my my ebook pre-release, okay? So from there, I launched it a couple days later, and I was able to get more sales from that. Now, if you don't have a big following, but you have a product and you really want to add value, you guys, do not be afraid to actually DM people, okay? Follow people who have a need for the product that you offer. So maybe you sell hair. Go to hair accounts, okay? Look at their followers. Look at people who comment like, I just purchased, or hey, your hair costs too much. Those are your customers. You're scrolling on Instagram anyway all day. Reach out to those people, DM them. Hey, I have hair. I have a special right now. If you purchase today or if you purchase this week, you can get this amount of money off. But offer them a service or provide value to them. Tell them why they need your product. Tell them how your product is going to help them, okay? So you can literally make money at home. That doesn't mean you have to create an ebook if you don't want to. If you're selling hair, selling a product, anything that you have, do not be afraid to sell right now during these times. A lot of people are like, is it even safe to sell during these times? Yes, it is. People are still in need. As long as you have a product that's genuinely helping someone, okay, you can market and promote the heck out of that and turn that around. So for me, all my sales completely have come from DMs right now, whether it be DMs or just swipe ups. So I've been doing swipe ups on my Instagram account and DMing people and tell them like, hey, you know, I have a book. I even seen people like coaches who post like, oh, I'm a training coach, and people are like, it costs too much. I've DM'd those people, hey doll, I seen that you're looking to grow your business. I have an ebook that's only $20. message me, how can I help? And even before telling them I have an ebook, I genuinely ask people like, hey, I see that you're struggling to grow your business. What kind of business do you have? Tell me more about it. Conversations like that only take a little bit of time, but it can mean so much, okay? You want to build relationships. You want to build relationships with people and build rapport, okay? If you can talk to your ideal customer right now, what would you say? If you had one chance, what would you say? If you had one chance to sell a product to one stranger right now, how would you go about it? What would you do? So that's how we have to kind of live. Like, you have to be confident and command the room, command the attention, command the DMs if that's how you're reaching out to your clients, command the emails if that's how you're reaching out to your clients, or if that's how you're going to make your money. But offer them value and command it. Like, hey, I am this person. I sell hair. I sell lashes. Maybe whatever the case, whatever your business may be, maybe you have a clothing boutique. How is that adding value to them? Right now, people need happiness. So maybe your clothes will make them happy. That's what I say for the ice cream shop right now. I have an ice cream shop, but it's like people are actually buying ice cream. We all need a piece of happiness. Right now, ice cream is happiness. Don't take that away. Like, you have to add value, you guys. I don't care what it is. Do something that's going to help somebody else, that's going to make somebody else feel good, that's going to help somebody else grow, and ultimately that's going to put money in your pocket. So genuinely care though too, you know what I mean? So for me, I was able to write an ebook in 48 hours, put it out, DM my ideal clients, create buzz around it, and then ultimately convert my clients. And you're gonna have people who are gonna tell you like, yeah, I'm gonna get it, or I'm gonna purchase your product, whatever the case may be, and they don't. That's okay, but just keep selling yourself. I've also, meme accounts where it says like the 25-year-old entrepreneur goes from dead broke overnight to a millionaire in 6 months. Those kind of pages, I also pay like $15, $20 for those kind of pages to promote me as well. You may not get people to buy from you right then and there, but those people will come look at your Instagram, and it's up to you to keep posting and to sell them, okay, if that makes sense. So these are just some quick ways of how you can take something that you have, whether it be a hair oil, maybe you're cooking and people can't have that same experience of going out to eat, so maybe you're a great cook. Go ahead and sell dinners and tell people locally like, hey, I'm selling dinners. You just have to be creative right now. I know a guy who owns a gym, and because he can't have people at his gym, he's doing equipment rentals. So you just have to find a way to add value. Add value. People need stuff right now, okay? It's a time of need. Add freaking value. One of my clients, he's actually one of my staff members too in my ice cream shop. He's only 14 years old, you guys. And he bought my book, and I was like, you don't have to buy it. He was like, no, I want to buy it. I'm like, oh, but he works for me at the ice cream shop. And he realized people can't really go to hair salons right now. So what is he doing? He's selling different types of specialty brushes and bonnets and just different things like that to preserve people's hairstyles, or to, so it's just really all about adding value. What can you do right now to add value? How can you help somebody else? How can you make a difference in their life so that way it will ultimately make a difference in yours, okay? So that doesn't mean you have to go sell an ebook. It doesn't mean you have to become this big entrepreneur. It's just, what can you do to add value to somebody else? Use your expertise, whatever it is that you actually know how to do, and go for it. So also, you guys, my hair is so cute. Look at it. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope this video helps. If you want to be in my private entrepreneurship group, or if you care to be an entrepreneur or grow your business, you guys, buy my ebook. It's only $20 right now. It's called Business 101 Ebook, The Ultimate Guide by Trishonna. It's only $20 again, and I do have a private entrepreneurship group where I am working hands-on with my clients and we're growing their business. I also offer business coaching. If you want to book me, just click on one of these links or the links below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Y'all love to tell me that I'm pretty and stuff, but y'all follow me on Instagram because I'm cute on there too. Okay, bye. See you guys later. Peace.